The off-the-shelf cable assemblies from Molex. These standard cable assemblies deliver off-the-shelf solutions with a broad range of connectors in a variety of cable lengths to facilitate both prototyping and global production. The line of Molex off-the-shelf cable assemblies includes Pico Clasp, Pico Lock, Pico Blade, ClickMate, Microclasp, NanoFit, Microfit, Microfit Overmolded, Ultrafit Black and White, MiniFit, MiniFit Overmolded, MegaFit, MegaFit Overmolded, and MiniFit Senior. These connectors are ideal for various consumer applications such as fitness equipment, home entertainment, appliances, office, gaming, and security, as well as in the commercial vehicle, industrial, and medical markets. Molex Standard Cable Assemblies reduce costs associated with tooling, ease design requirements, and provide the convenience of using one vendor for the entire cable solution. More information at molex.com.